we have completed for loop, while loop, nested loop in our previous video. Now we are more interested in covering jump statement. So we are having three jump statement, and these are break, continue, and pass. Okay, so these are the three jump statement we are having. Based on these three jump statement, we will understand like where to use them, when to use them, why to use them, and in the first place, not going into technical aspects, I want you to understand these statements using a simple story. So the simple story goes like this: you and your friend are playing a game, and it is a question answer game. Okay, and so it is a question answer game, and the thing happens is he how this game happens is he asks you a question. That question may be any practical question, maybe anything personal question, any question. That question can be any question. Okay, so the thing is he will ask you a question, you will reply the answer, then you will ask a question, he will reply with the answer. The simple question. Okay, now the thing is he asked you a question, and you got offended. You are not in a position to answer that question. So simply you break means you just simply came out of the loop of asking question and answer, of asking question replying answer, asking question replying answer. He asked you something, you got offended, and you break means you just simply jumped out of that question answer scenario. Now you don't want to play, you break. Now again, another scenario can be he asked you a question and you got offended, but what you said continue. You use the continue statement there. Why why you use the continue statement? Because you don't want to answer particularly that question which offended you, and rest of the question you want to maybe answer. You want to play the game, you don't want to quit the game, because break is like you are quitting the game after that particular question which offended you. Now there can be one more condition: the continue statement can be used, and the continue statement is you don't want to answer that particular question which offended you. Otherwise you are playing the game. You are ready to answer other questions. And pass is simple. Maybe you ask a question and your friend is not having any prepared question, like he have not prepared any question yet, so he simply can say pass. So now you will ask the question again, you will go to him, and if again he is not having a prepared question, then he will say pass. This is how break, continue, and pass statement can be used inside a loop. Okay, so let's come see uh, how they looks. The syntax: this is break, this continue. This is the syntax. This is like this is the easiest thing you can understand. Okay, this is the